We did this just the other day, so you kind of know what's coming at us here. Strong cold front, strong system. Again, look at all the wind advisories spread across the Great Lakes, out to the Midwest, even up into the Northeast a little bit. It's all because of this cold front. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's moving through us. There's not a lot of moisture here. There's not a lot of precip. So we've had a couple of showers. I'll show you where they've gone to now. And we might get a couple flakes of snow, but it's literally just a couple flakes of snow. This is not a big deal for the morning roads here as it goes along. But as it approaches, and certainly back behind it, that cold, dense air going down to the ground and fanning out makes it very, very windy as we go. Here's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. At that point, starting to lessen just a little bit on the wind, but the cold is certainly in place. The chilly temperatures return for the entire weekend here. So again, it's from 1 a.m. tonight to 1 p.m. Saturday. The wind advisory, gusts going to be 40 to maybe 50 in a few spots at the strongest. 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. is the timing of those strongest storms, just ahead of and just behind that cold front coming through. So watch the numbers increase again as we go toward that 7 o'clock hour. You see at 7 o'clock, this particular model, computer model says 36 miles an hour. When it goes by, it goes up a little bit here. So 40, yep, 45 in some spots, 50, that's a possibility. Won't be real widespread with 50 miles an hour, but that is a possibility in the morning hours on Saturday. So there's 10 o'clock. It's starting to mellow out at least a little bit. It'll still be breezy on Sunday, and it's cold, but just not the winds that we have to deal with tomorrow. So there were a couple of little showers around here this afternoon, earlier this evening. They've pushed out to the east. Again, this is not so much about the moisture and all that kind of stuff. It's really about the wind and the cold that comes with it. A couple little sprinkles on the west side of the state. A few snow showers out here. That's a bit more intense. But when this all goes through, that goes more north than east. So again, that's not our big deal. All right, tonight's forecast. Now, these are temperatures toward tomorrow morning. It's going to be a lot warmer than this for most of the night, but just as it starts to crash, 42 in Detroit early, 36 in Howell. That's kind of the spread. 42 again in Mount Clemens and Port Huron. And then tomorrow, these are the numbers that are where we'll settle for most of the day. So it's a quick drop off in the morning to the low 30s to mid 30s, 30 in Lapeer, 35 in Detroit, 32 in Ann Arbor. Yes, there could be a little rain until 9 o'clock, but again, it's with temperatures that are warm enough not to make the roads icy. Here's your Noel night, cold and breezy no matter what location you're in. It'll be around 30, it'll feel around 20. It should be dry, but you're going to have the collar up, the hats on, the gloves on, that kind of thing as well. Tailgating Sunday is going to be chilly for the Lions, and next week is just kind of blah. Mostly cloudy, upper 30s and lower 40s.